Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it felt like.
Hey guys, let's shop Melrose Park, baby. Flea fam, what's up? We're back. It's a Friday. We're at Melrose Park. We're back, and it's April. You know what
Happy
they say?
day.
April showers bring those flowers, baby.
It is a beautiful, sunny, 40-something degree day
It's
here.
actually gorgeous out.
And yeah, we're at Melrose on a Friday. It's free to come in here, and so we're here. Any expectations or things we're shopping for today?
No expectations, but I am definitely feeling spring cleaning. So I want to see what we got here. What pops out? What about you?
I don't know. No expectations either. I'm just really into the racks and the piles these days, especially during the week. So that's what I'm here to conquer.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, you've been finding some goodies in the piles, baby.
Totally. So we're gonna hit those up. We're gonna walk around, spend a Friday with us. Let's go.
Let's go.
A minute for the aesthetically pleasing cords here.
I know. I'm just thinking, you can literally find any color here.
Match your phone, match your case, match your car,
charger, match your car, match your leather.
Yeah, seriously.
We got you.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, it is. Just keep it flirty.
So we have 640 ounces.
I was going to say, this is massive. How much are you selling these for? $30?
$20.
Wow, that is not bad at all. $20 for, and this is like the 8G, so you need less.
So also, you have to have a lot of laundry to do.
This is good if you have like a big family or kids. I feel like kids are like always going through laundry.
100%. So easy.
Or like teenagers, I will say, my friend Alex is always complaining that her son will put something on, throw it in the laundry. But you remember that age.
Oh yeah, of course.
So this is a lifesaver.
So it looks like we just have a ton of industrial size stuff.
So good. They were full of like garbage bags. Look at this Nivea cream.
Yes, we love that. Love.
I don't think it's cinnamon.
It's a great guess.
What is this? Oh, is it? Okay.
See, you were right. Cinnamon.
Okay. Look at how big.
Damn, dude, I actually didn't know it was that big. Yesterday, or a couple weeks ago, we had cinnamon candles, and now just the actual stalk.
The actual sticks.
You know how have you seen people like boil water and put like orange peels and cinnamon? I feel like the OG organic.
I was gonna say,
scent.
that like immunity soup people were making, or like immunity teas, and all like they brew it themselves.
100%.
For those holistic. That's the word I'm
100%.
thinking of.
So nice. We have all nut varieties and stuff here.
Ready
For the
to
low,
go.
ready to
Yep.
go.
Hi guys, I love.
Okay, new out here.
Yes, this is adorable. This is giving me like Chanel vibes.
Oh, I'm like here.
Of course. I like the like two-tone. Yeah. I just like these nicer ones because you can wear them more.
For sure.
Yeah.
But if you're a fit girly or boy or
these are all really good.
Yeah. These are always they're just easy to clean, easy to wipe down. Love these. The JVC. These are so good. Also really popular right now, so a must. Yeah.
These were out for a minute, but these are back. So Type-C, it's like your USB-C, but with
Bring it here so we can
it's your USB-C with an aux, which these are hard to find.
Yeah.
These are really good because a lot of like speakers and stuff still have the aux like outlet.
Oh yeah.
But the new charger is not. You get what I'm saying?
Oh, Rachel.
Yeah.
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome. One-stop shopping.
Wow. What happened?
Okay, I got distracted. I'm talking too much. I literally just dropped my phone.
Okay.
And cracked my screen cover.
We can't make this up.
I'm not making this up, and he's literally redoing it, giving me a brand new one right now.
gotta make sure you're right.
See?
Hey, but this is just like insurance. You better have one on there, would have cracked your phone.
Yeah. Yeah. They wipe it down for you. What are you doing? Wind is picking up. Actually, this is motivating me to get mine right now because I do not have.
Are you serious?
I don't have anything on right now.
You're raw?
I'm raw.
Everybody needs protection around here, especially for your iPhone.
Especially at the swap.
These phones are too damn expensive now to be walking around raw dog.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna get one really quick. Oh. Yeah, we got some different ones here. These are out. This is a nice one.
Yeah.
It's like a solid.
This
almost
is
like the
cozy.
scuba.
Honestly, you want to put this on right now. Feel how soft inside.
Mm-hmm. It's like the scuba.
Yeah.
Kind of like.
Yeah.
Fabric.
Yeah.
Love it. Of course.
These are on sale right now for $6, you guys. So these are like all your classic, just basic t-shirts.
Yeah, look at those.
$6. I mean, also I feel like, end of school year is coming and kids are constantly doing like Spear Week and all this stuff. This is like cheap.
Easy, grab and go, $6. What?
Why have a white toilet bowl cover when you could have a peach one?
Totally.
You have new, unopened, toilet seats.
For the peach in your life. A peach for
More roasting set.
That's actually legit. If you
Yeah.
have like one of those little cabinets in your house and kiddos love that shit.
Literally.
Over the stove. Like, it's a little ghetto, but it works.
Wrapped and ready.
These are great. Little strawberries. What is this one? Papaya. Looking good. Grab and go. These peppers are ready for you.
There's nothing Christina and I love more than a grab and go situation. You're
Grab
busy, I'm
and
busy,
go.
y'all are busy.
Yes,
Nobody has time to be doing all the things anymore.
totally. Y'all, this entire back row is pure tools. Tools here, tools there, tools there. Where are the working guys at?
We like them blue collar men.
Come and get your tools. Okay. Gotta stop for a snack.
Okay, these are actually really good, you guys. I've tried these before. All of them, I feel like, for the most part. These are like tahini covered, dry
Mango.
fruits, right?
Yeah, mango.
What are these, mangoes?
Uh-huh. But I already know that you're loving the top
Don't.
temptation.
A sour worm hates to see me coming, okay?
Literally.
A sour gummy worm hates to see me coming. I just like how it's so easy here, and they have bags and a scale, and they just weigh it, and that's it.
Well, you know what, too? Like, you know how sometimes, like, pre-made snack mixes, like, you might not like everything in it. You can literally create
Pick
your own here. You know? It's like a candy store
I know, look at all this.
with nuts. Oh,
If you
wow.
guys don't know, peanuts are expensive right now.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, well, they always have been. And almonds.
I
And
didn't know. So this is definitely where I would be coming. It's about to be baseball season, opening day.
Okay, but do people eat peanuts during baseball season at home?
I mean, I don't know. It might be sneaking them into, Cub, Wrigley Field.
Beans. Wow.
I don't know why I like these.
Okay, I know. Yeah. Thank God there's no scoops in all of them.
Applicator. Applicator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how you say it.
Applicator.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
mirror.
Oh, mirror.
See how beautiful you are.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. Okay, so we have some makeup here. These are $6.
This is cute for travel, you guys. You got a little mirror, couple
color
applicators,
options.
couple bold
Okay,
colors.
tell us in this palette, what would you mix?
Okay, you could do like this, right up, below the brow.
Okay.
I would do this on the whole lid.
The whole lid, okay. Little bit of pop of color maybe here in the inner corner, or like a little purple situation, and then I'd go darker and
Oh, wow.
yeah, you know,
Okay.
make it darker.
I would do,
You could go ahead.
I would probably do this
Mm-hmm.
all over and then hit it with this and this, like a little combo purple situation for the hazel-eye
I
girl.
love that.
You know?
Love that.
Okay.
$6, you guys. Yo, springtime.
Wow, it like matches you.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are going in the ponds and lakes, and we are doing all the things.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bluegill,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Why do I think of like crawfish in a creek with this? Like, so here's a nice net.
Okay.
I know.
Yeah, wow.
How much is this?
$5.
$5.
Okay, $5. You can
Not
catch
bad.
all the bluegill.
Can't beat that price.
Not at all. We also have fishing rods, you guys. So while you are picking up your
fish
nets,
Oh, yeah.
we also have a fishing rod here, which just needs what? A little bit of line.
It's inside.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't take it off because sometimes they just,
Yeah. In the wind.
About
Okay, word.
2025, we are starting fishing.
Okay. Okay.
This is where
Wow.
I'm buying my rods.
there you go.
I-
I'm gonna bring some a whole
Honestly,
bunch of
Okay.
this looks very.
That was nice.
This looks nice. This looks like top level, top shelf.
That's what you.
I know.
What's what you ready?
Listen.
This one looks good too. Hold on, I got another one for you.
Give me.
We got a tackle box.
Ice for the.
You ready to go? I'm ready to go. My tackle box. I got my net and my rod.
Okay.
This you got.
the fish.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
She's gonna get the little bluegill with that stuff.
The little bluegill. This you got all the stuff in here. Yep.
Okay. So, one-stop shop. Who needs Cabela's when you can just come here?
Literally.
Yeah.
Way cheaper.
Well,
Come get all your fishing
listen.
stuff here at Swap.
Yeah, love that for us.
Definitely bring more tomorrow.
Rachel, we don't have insurance.
actually raise that thing up.
What happens?
You can raise it up a little bit. You see where that thing is at?
Okay, no need to try, but we have a scooter.
Well, let me try.
Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Wow.
She looks beautiful in that one.
Catch me in the city. Riding dirty.
Wow.
Yeah, this
Okay.
actually rides nice.
Wow.
This is a nice scooter.
I should have another one like
All
that.
right.
Okay, so you got options here, you guys. This is a great booth, a great vendor here towards the back front of
Yeah.
Melrose.
Okay. Wow. So, all your recreational extracurricular needs can be
got
met.
you.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
Thank you.
Okay. One of my favorites. We always have.
Wow, this stuff is actually pricey.
What do we have here?
How much for this? $10. Okay, this is a Eucerin, so I'm sure everyone knows this brand. They have like the really amazing like skin lotion, chapstick, really good for the winter cold months. They have like face products now. So there's the day lotion and the night cream. These are only $10 each here, which I can tell you is for sure cheaper than any drugstore.
Yeah, we're trying to be one about half a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Couple brands that are also sticking out would be the L'Oreal. I know that this is all over TikTok right now. Cetaphil's a really good brand. I love this toner, the Thayers. This is a really good
It's an
one.
old school. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Yep,
Lubriderm is a
Lubriderm.
classic. These are all just like the classic,
Classic good products.
solid.
Yep. Olay, that's a big one.
Okay, I'm immediately going here
I knew
because
it.
an influencer just talked about this secret Outlast.
Really?
Yeah.
What about it?
They were like talking about how like they tried a lot of like new or clean brands, and this is like kind of like the best one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not clean
Yeah.
by any means, but like
It's good.
better for you
Yeah,
type
yeah.
of situation, I guess. But yeah. All of the
Honestly, you guys, I used to work at a salon and spa, and the masseuses would use this a lot, the BioFreeze. Yeah, it's like icy hot, but a little bit better for you. I can't believe this is here, to be honest.
fun fact.
I know that these are like $25, so I'm going to be curious to see what they're going to say for this. How much is this one?
7.
$7. Okay.
Okay, nice. All right, what do we have here?
Okay.
Ready?
Content today?
Yeah.
Same.
These are all hats.
I'm actually loving those.
Here, I can pull one out for you. It looks like there's like a variety of colors.
Yeah.
Super cute. I like
good.
love the leather trim and the gold.
Mm-hmm.
Anything
Too.
black and gold I'm drawn to.
Those are like great colors too because they like pop, but they're still kind of neutral.
Yep.
Loving this right here. I don't know why, just because it's so
Yeah.
bold. But really good stuff in here. There's
Really good backpacks.
backpacks in there.
Okay, like super cute clutches. All this stuff is like super in right now, you guys. This basketball bag.
I've seen actually that a lot more and more lately.
I'm obsessed with this.
Yeah.
This is so cute. This is actually adorable. This is giving me like you're going on a beach
Yeah.
vacation. You're in Mexico.
Totally.
You have a little bodycon dress on. This will literally
Make
This
it, yeah.
is the outfit.
Yeah, for sure.
Jacket. You guys, this is still, even though it's April, buy it now so you have it for next year.
Totally. I'm looking at the
Little tanks.
dress numbers.
Yep.
Because you could still even do those with like a booty still, like transition.
It's still breezy, right? It's still those. It's still gonna be cold some days, and then some days it's gonna be hot.
For sure.
So it's good to kind of have everything.
Ooh.
Yeah, like our brush set. Cute little keychains.
Yeah, really good here.
Great
Love.
secondhand finds.
Always a classic. These you can find inside at like most all locations, but just super good detailing. Love the Mexico vibes. So good.
Okay, these are actually so cute. These are Tory Burch. It's like a little.
Definitely used because it's worn.
Well, yeah, but this is
love.
like a 8. This is like a cute little. Honestly, I kind of like that it's used because these are not that comfortable in the beginning.
Yeah.
And you need to stretch them out or it's blister city. So I love these. I think these are great
And
to
it'll
do.
last.
Yeah,
like,
it's Tory
even
Burch.
if it's, yeah. I'm just,
Also,
please, I cannot.
these Steve Maddens are giving me like JT vibes for some reason.
JT.
Like you're on stage. It's like somebody wearing an all like
Yeah.
simple outfit and they just want like a pop.
Yeah. But like subtle.
Yeah.
Totally. Love that. Ooh, there's like the Crocs sandals in the
These are
bottom.
actually common, like very popular. These crazy Crocs.
Yeah. No, I'm loving those ones in the bottom. Those are actually, because this like looks
More, it's like more chic, I would
normal.
say.
Yeah.
Less
Have
crocky.
you ever had them? Because I have a pair.
Yeah.
They're so
Comfortable and they're light and they're easy to pack.
Totally. Okay. Immediately spotted Rugrats. What? Rachel. Look. Oh. The jeans.
Levi's.
Can you hold this up for us? Dude.
This is classic.
That is sick. Okay, if
This
you
is so
rolled in
cute.
somewhere with that, I would freak out.
If you rolled in somewhere,
So
yeah.
cute.
There's like all different stuff here, you guys. There's a bra. I'm looking at this black velvet. This looks like a cute turtleneck. Little. This is like a little dress situation.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, nice.
Couple.
Joggers.
I think athletic pants are here to stay forever. I mean, we literally just talked about these jackets. Jackets are nice. They're lightweight. This is a 2X too, so we have bigger sizes. I'm sure you guys think we don't.
Totally.
Easy to fold.
Wow.
This is like comfy. Like
Nice.
feels warm and it's
Totally.
super, super lightweight.
There's like tutus in this bin. There is Christmas PJs in this bin.
Look at this cute little kid's Timberland vest.
That's cute.
Adorable.
So cute. Love. Okay, the mini recliner. Literally so
Cute is
fucking
that?
Cute. I can't. Must fill the cute little recliner. Oh, there's little dolls.
Dolls,
Here.
yep.
There's
A weave.
Bunch of stuff. Can also get some good blankets, some good rugs right now.
How are you?
Oh, Rachel's playing with a toy right now.
I don't know why I feel like I need to buy this for Stevie.
Aw, it
This
is
little
cute.
beauty playset, you guys, this is so cute. Stop! It like folds
Yeah,
up
it's a
to
vanity.
Wow, that's adorable.
Mm-hmm.
You got a little wheel action with it.
Okay.
This is a really nice. I don't know if you guys have heard about this brand, Our Table, but it is a good brand. This is a really nice roasting rack for like Thanksgiving or holidays.
Yeah.
Wow. I need to start wearing gloves. I say this every time we film.
And you just don't wear them.
No, because it's a lot.
I think you associate them with the bad ones that you have, and
I mean, you guys, they're warm, they're cute,
These are really
they're chic. There's so many different cute styles over here too. I know metallic is still having a moment this year. I think this is a really good time to come and buy this stuff because people don't want to keep this shit and they're willing to work with you. These are cute.
those are so cute. Well, even the walnuts.
I mean,
April showers.
April.
No, don't. It's bad luck.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude.
I've been doing this my whole life. That explains a lot.
Yeah, sis. No.
Wait, okay.
And you don't go under a ladder either.
I know that.
Okay. Well, no, you can't. Yeah.
I also heard cheersing with water is bad luck.
Really?
Yeah, so.
Oh, that never happens. Okay, I feel like this is a great deal on folding chairs. If you need metal metallic folding chairs, $5. There's 13. Come get them.
What costume of some sort, like a figure skater. Doesn't this look like a figure skating? Yeah, it does. Totally.
Oh, okay.
Little situation.
What if it isn't though?
Then
And someone actually like wears
what is
it out?
this?
Dress. Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, nice. Wow.
I don't think he meant unisex, but oh, that's a good
This
sweater.
is actually something I would totally wear. This is cute.
Yeah. Actually, I want that high noon zip up he's wearing.
I know.
That's sick. Oh my god.
Too windy today.
Too windy, yeah.
Pretty sure them clothes are not.
Yeah.
Cute jackets, you guys.
It's a cute one.
Also, this is still a thing, okay? These might be from the 90s, but they're back and they're thriving.
Mm-hmm.
Bell bottoms, okay?
Yeah.
See Kendrick Lamar at the Super Bowl.
Right.
We're wearing flares.
Old school flare. Your mom's looking for a pair.
She is?
She got, yeah, she said, I need a pair like that. These are always great, classic, no brand sneakers too.
These are like a cute work shoe, and I feel like this is like the perfect shoe from work to the happy hour, right?
Right.
It's conservative, you're covered, tootsies are covered, but it's got just enough detail on it, right?
Correct, yeah.
No, I'm Polish.
Had to stop for this painting. I feel like it is perfect. It's actually a super tall one, but great for any space. Love the random art that you can find like this. So good.
Iron Man
Wow.
is still hot.
What's attached to that?
I think a glass to
Oh.
show.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cute.
yeah.
No, you could probably like ping pong balls and throw
Oh,
those.
yeah. Pens,
Fun. No.
toys.
Well, you play with that.
Yeah, I know, but ping pong balls to do what?
Like somebody would throw them at the
Oh.
kid and like they would, you know, try to grab it.
Okay.
There's cute kids' shoes.
Little like
Toys.
Black Panther. This is a super cool helmet. This is like the kids love.
Yeah, these are really good. Emoji pillow.
Little dolls.
Oh yeah.
This is a nice backpack.
And all the Barbie cars lined up here. Mini toys we love. Can't go wrong with those. Whole bin of just all kinds of little cars too. So good. Okay, random tables. There's a ton of like cute house decor. I don't know, I love these little Buddhas. This is really cute. Mother's Day is coming up, something fun like that. This is a good one. I feel like this is the OG that started it all.
Yep.
The OG dad, grandpa New Balance.
Yep.
But I want it. Don't you?
I do. I love it.
These are
I
so
love
fun.
them. They're so comfy.
I will say, like, the 9060 is probably one of the most comfortable.
Told you when you got them,
sneakers
you
I
would
have
love
in my
them.
life. Like,
Yeah.
So good.
Yep.
What else we have? We have. Oh, this like is a film that converts film into digital. Definitely need that. First aid kit here. Super good. You know, you just never know, Rachel.
You really don't. He sings and dances.
Oh, you got one of and it sings and dances.
Wow. Let's just get a quick little zoom. 80 bucks. That is not bad. That's it. That is so cheap.
Do you like minions, or if you have like a birthday party? Like, I feel like that's. Okay, these like floor lamps. I love that they're not like super tall. I feel like that's really cool. Also, this wagon can't go wrong. If you like, again, have a kid like in the middle, you want to spend a ton of cash, just get this one. It is what it is, right? But I've never seen something like that here before, so that's cool. Sick. A fish tank. And last time at Ashland we saw tennis. There's tennis here too. So tennis season, I guess.
It must be time to get the racks out.
These are the time and true mules. I feel like mules are still staying around. These are really, it's memory foam. Thank God, I feel like shoes are putting memory foam
So
in them
smart.
now. Thank God. So everything's super comfortable. This is really cute.
It's like your
Like a
iPad.
tablet. Yeah. But
Is that
it's
Rebecca Minkoff?
Like, yeah.
Are you joking? Wait, I might need this. This is one of my faves.
This is cute.
Yeah, it is. For your iPad, little tablet case.
Yeah, or just anything.
Yeah.
Really. I mean, it's just a cute
Yeah.
statement. I feel like colors, like,
Are back.
yeah, like,
Mm-hmm.
bold, like especially like a bold sneaker and like a bold bag.
Yeah.
Like I'm seeing a lot of for spring. This is so cute. What? It's like for spring.
That's adorable. Yep. Lunchbox with a backpack.
So cute.
Can you hold that up?
It's gotta wait on it.
Oh, okay.
It's really cute.
You guys, this is so cute.
I feel like it's not too early to start thinking about sandals. These are freaking good. They're like bendable. They're comfy. They're lightweight. You probably wear this to work if you can wear an open toe. These are really good. These are Venus. Cute. Okay. Well, I don't know why I love this, but I love. Mini fans here. Speakers. There's like a camera. There's light bulbs.
What's this bag here?
Hold on, there's like Libby glasses. Those are like really good and obviously pricey. Look at this palette.
Yep.
I feel like this screams Rachel.
Yeah, it does.
Let's see, we have like no name sunglasses. I would rock these. Those are
fun.
cute.
Actually, this whole bin is full of sunglasses.
You guys, there's some really cute pairs, okay? So,
This
like,
is cute.
that's what I would, yeah.
Oh, this.
Look at these. You guys, these are so good.
This is like a
That's cute.
so cute. Neon
That's
sign.
so
That's for your
cute.
desktop. In red, so good.
Swap red.
Yeah, love.
Oh, I know this is an expensive brand.
Squash.
Yeah. Dr. Squash.
Okay. I love these so much. These are like essentially like hotel.
I love the Malin and Goats.
You do?
Yeah, that's such a good brand.
Okay,
They
so-
sell them at like Blue Mercury, Sephora, Ulta.
Really good.
Yeah, it is.
So anyways, I feel like these are perfect for like a diaper bag, your purse,
Traveling,
like,
yeah.
I you know, quick in your pocket. You can grab these. There's also like body bars here.
What else is over
this
here?
A conditioner. Not used. Perfect condition. What's this?
Yeah.
This is also a conditioner. Dude.
Yeah. Cute.
Wait, like this is cool.
Yeah.
Like a Coke,
Mm-hmm.
oversized work
Jacket. Where are you gonna find that? Where else?
I don't know, but I feel like you can go out with like a body count or even like a
You
short,
can.
like, a
Dude, all that stuff's
crop
back.
with, like,
Throw a
boot.
boot on.
So cool. Okay.
Oh, that looks cozy.
Cozy.
Wow, I would
You
put
don't
that
have
on
to
right
steal-
now
you don't have to steal
and
your boyfriend's. You can
not
grab
take
your
it off.
own. Oh, this is good.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow. Same thing. Same
KD?
vibe, like,
That is cute. You could even do that with like, yeah, I love that.
I know.
Like a little legging or tight situation.
Totally. Love this.
Oh yeah, wow, that's fucking cute.
So Rachel vibe.
Yeah, it is, totally.
But also a good vibe. Yeah, just really
Oh yeah,
Basics, you
nice.
know? If you're a teacher, turtleneck for the fall. This is good. The racks.
Love it.
You have a nice pink.
Wait, this is cute. This is like little girl. How freaking cute.
Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of like, there's like a cool Peyton Manning artwork sign here. There's like rulers. I'm seeing like
How are we gonna be famous on YouTube?
pencil cases. Yeah, we're on it.
We are on it.
Okay, this
I love
cool.
my
Like a home decor piece. You can probably
hang it. Or like a cool outdoor furniture centerpiece.
100%.
Yeah.
100%. Like these vibes.
Yep, totally.
My shoe would be.
What else do we have over here?
We have some huge jewelry. We have my engagement ring.
Nothing but a rock over here.
Yeah. Okay. Any smaller won't be tolerated.
I am loving this gold chain. You guys, I'm obsessed with gold, but this like bold statement is so cute.
You're shopping with the world's famous reseller.
Oh, wow. Okay.
and look at that.
Love that.
So you guys make sure to come check him out at Melrose.
Yes.
A lot of cool
And
stuff
everywhere
here.
else.
Yep.
Email him.
Robin, Swap-O-Rama.
There we go. Okay,
Perfect.
Rachel, just manifest real quick.
Yep,
2025. What do you think?
I'm in.
You think like the end?
Yeah,
Yeah, my birthday's in December. I feel like I'd have to meet him now, you know?
today.
Would it make sense? Okay. Not to really start thinking about summer. We got coolers. There's a small little like slow cooker if you have like an RV type of situation, camping situation. Such good like kid sets. This is really good. What is this? Oh, a foosball set.
Wow.
$5
What?
for that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so good. It's a table.
Like prices.
That's great. Okay, so are you guys hearing this? Everything here is priced very well.
These are really good too. I can only imagine the comfort for these 3 box.
These are $90 new. I got them for 30.
Wow, 30.
I'm good, Ray. How you doing?
What did you drop? Just show us what it is.
This is cute.
Clearly it caught your eye. It's really cute.
Fuzzy. Honestly, it's kind of like a bomber track jacket, but
It's cute.
isn't it?
I'm sorry.
Kira. It's, if you guys could just feel how soft.
Totally.
Also, this really is why I stopped. This caught my eye. This gap.
Of course it did.
Anything with Sherpa, you guys already know I love. Sherpa little girls jacket. Like, this is so cute.
Oh,
Some
anime?
graphic stuff. Snow pants. Great time
Okay.
to get stuff like this. These are always very pricey. So this is kind of more little girls. Little, you know, I would say like K through 12. But
Super cute.
yeah. Lularoe, remember that back in the day?
Oh my god, yeah.
This is like a cute
That's
shawl
cute.
though. It actually bears orange too, so if you want to like make a sketch of this fall. Rex.
Rex. And don't forget, y'all, all the produce. These people are killing it. All those empty boxes are stuff that they sold already. So, it's a produce, Melrose Park. It's free to get in. Come to the back and get your stuff.
No clue what this is.
Oh, yeah, it's a biker vest.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Oh.
Biker vest.
Well, he wants you to wear it. Oh, okay. We got our.
Wow, I mean, this is like the whole
Oh yeah.
ready to go.
Wow. Not sure
I
where.
will say
but-
these are pretty soft.
Okay.
3X, cute, puffer.
Oh my god. Okay. I'm seriously
Cute, right?
Oh my god, yeah, so good. It's so good. Rachel.
Oh, this is cute. Little like desk. I'm thinking you need just like, or you have a bookcase or something, you know? Cute stuff like this. Also, you guys, these frames are 5x7. You can do anything with frames, right? I love like a frame.
How do we get that wall off for like $5?
This is for your car,
Uh-huh.
you know, like windshield.
Yeah.
What else we got over here? Toe party tray.
I have.
This is Christina's type of game.
I actually have that. Yeah. It's fun.
This is like a jewelry box situation.
Yeah.
We have some
Some
really
shoes in
amazing
here.
shoes.
Bunch of stuff.
Cute. Honestly, these are cute.
Totally. What's with all the funky heels we've been finding at the
I
flea
don't
lately?
know. Straws, measuring cups,
Uh-huh.
plastic wrap.
Perfect.
What I mean, do you
Just
want?
come to the back. Wow. Okay. We're done.
What a fun Friday, honestly.
Okay.
We had lots of giggles.
It's a windy Friday. Lots of giggles. You know, you can't help but have fun on days like today, right?
You have to.
You have to. It's like windy. It's like everything's flying everywhere
Yeah.
around here.
Yeah.
But no, like I love during the week because it's like the same people, so it's so fun to hang out with them.
I
and
was
to
gonna
see.
say, it's like we really like have formed over the last couple of years a connection with the vendors.
Totally.
And you know, it is nice to come during the week because it is a little bit slower and you have a little bit more one-on-one time
Right.
with them, and it's kind of nice to just like catch up, honestly.
Totally, I agree.
What did you think about like
What
the
did I-
overall finds today?
What did I think about the overall finds? Okay, I think this is like the best garage sale you will find on a Friday.
Oh, yeah.
So if that is your vibe, come. Because it's like even the vendors that are like, there's a lot of vendors here that sell at Alsip during the weekend or Ashland Avenue during the weekend, but then they come here on a Friday and sell kind of like their used stuff.
or stuff that they find wholesale or things like that. We met like at least 4 people that do that. So that's great. I think that's so cool.
Me too.
Especially
Also
because they're not consistent with that, so they have different stuff every time.
I was just gonna say the variety of things that they're carrying are the range is so big.
Yeah. So I would say that off the top. What are some other things you would say?
Electronics were good, you guys. Like you saw, I needed a new screen cover. And
Wind just blew it out of your hands.
Literally so nice that like I can come here and they can put it on. I also think like some of the garage sale finds were super good. The racks had really good stuff. I think it's still, you know, there is some winter stuff and I don't hate it because I am one of those people who are buying at the end of the season, you know, when things are marked down for the next year.
Yeah.
So
well, not even that too, but like winter stuff, like there's a ton of like transition things. So like the jackets aren't as thick, but they're like, you know, the perfect like spring jacket, but also just like hoodies and like I don't know, like a lot of like, what else would you say? Hoodies and sweaters and stuff like that.
Zip
like
ups,
this is when
jackets,
you would wear that stuff without a jacket. So like I still think they're relevant. Even,
totally.
like up until like
May.
I don't even like June. Like you can wear a hoodie at like a bonfire, you know, because it gets a little cold at night. So anyway, I love the finds. And also tools and produce, when you get in here for free, like why wouldn't you take advantage of like coming to look for that stuff if you're looking for it, you know? Overall, I had a great trip.
Me too, and I think the highlight, we didn't even buy anything today, and I would say the highlight...
We did get new screen protectors, both of us.
True. I think the highlight of like the day was just like spending one-on-one time with Christina. We were laughing, we were walking around, we were connecting with people.
Yeah.
So this is why we come here.
Totally.
It's to see and support
100%.
everyone out here.
100%. I would say too, if you follow along like any of some solo trips or like past vlogs that I've done here, I know for a fact like a lot of key vendors I did not see today. So always come, because there were some new faces I saw out here, and some of those classics weren't, but the staples are always. So it just changes, and that's kind of like my point. Like if you think you've come and you've seen it all, you really haven't. No. So come on down. And that is all the time we have for today. Check out or like, comment, subscribe, all the things to this video. Check out Me and the Flea, the podcast this Thursday and every Thursday. And we'll see you next Tuesday. Bye. Since you felt like this. Been a while since you felt like this.